Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the HIMI Rhombus Solid Watercolor Paint Set, 12 color edition. This set comes in a sleek, compact yellow rhombus shaped box that is both portable and stylish. The packaging feels sturdy with a smooth matte finish, making it perfect for artists who love painting on the go. Apart from the yellow box, this set is also available in green, each box offering the same vibrant palette inside with a unique outer shade to suit your style. Opening the box, you'll find 12 carefully curated watercolor half pans neatly arranged inside. The set includes a water brush pen for easy blending and on-the-go painting. Each color pan is solid yet melts smoothly with water, giving a creamy and highly pigmented consistency. The paints activate quickly with just a little water, making them ideal for all artists. Just began swatching, and swatching the colors is an absolute delight. The palette includes lemon yellow, medium yellow, orange, Oriental Red, purple, Ultramarine sky blue, yellow green, dark green, earth yellow, burnt umber, and black. The colors are vibrant, transparent, and blend effortlessly, perfect for glazing or any layering technique. The ultramarine blue and purple give a rich, intense finish, while the burnt umber and earth yellow add warm, earthy tones to your paintings. Each color swatch reveals smooth transitions, allowing you to create everything from soft washes to bold, expressive strokes. So this set is a perfect choice for travel, quick sketching, or experimenting with any new techniques. So anybody looking for a portable companion, the HIMI Rhombus watercolor set is sure to inspire creativity. So would you like to see these colors come to life in a painting demo? Let us know in the comment section. With this, we have come to the end of the swatching and unboxing of this compact set. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.